minutes past 6 in the morning. Charging of portable electronic devices are not allowed during taxi. Please remain seated with those seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs are turned off. It is important that you do not stand up until the advice is given by the crew. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartment as items may have moved during landing and could fall out. Please check that you have not left anything behind on your seat or in your seat pocket. Thank you for flying with Scoot, the low-cost arm of Singapore Airlines.